In this video, we will show you how to change project name on Google Cloud Console. In here, for example, if you have the project, you can see maybe you confuse how to change your name of your project. To do that, first you need to select your current project that you want to change the name. Just select your project names and make sure you opening by console.cloud.google.com without the ending of the URL like this. Okay, so you will see this page. After that, you can go to dashboard. After you go to dashboard, you can see there is your project names. You can go to project settings, and after that you can change the project name here. For example, you can change the project name like this and you can click save. Now you successfully renaming your project name on the cloud.google.com on your Google Cloud Console. And that's all tutorial how to change the name of the project on our console.cloud.google.com. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.